See, they're making fun of me because y'all call me squirrel.
Yeah.
My Mustang, this is a piece of junk. This and that.
I like one. You'll
That's right. You see how fast I went and got her shit, didn't you?
Oh, you want that big racing car on us went and got it.
Yeah.
What is on the way for that Mustang for me to put in it, man?
Everything.
I bet that smells like what's his name's asshole.
Right here. Aunt Mamie wants to get in, boys, because y'all think she's...
Yeah, why y'all doing backing him up, you damn red?
Every one of them, they bought him computers.
Right.
And if you want to run your mouth, we can fix it that way, too.
That's right.
And enough said, we're making our own content.
I got something to sew them goddamn big lips together. You won't be.
Yeah, I got an amazing song wrote about Little Man.
Right.
How he's ratted people out, how he sucks dick, how his girlfriend's a gumbo. I mean, it's amazing. People will fucking love
How
it.
he mows out.
You Eskimos?
Yeah. Wrong neck draft. Fuck.
See how the family hates you.
They're doing you that way.
And we're still here.
Goddamn right.
What we own, and look what y'all own.
We can get made out anything we got.
Say the quote, Huss.
HUCKLE BUCKLE BABY.
Huss got say. Hustle, Russell, Johnson, say.
HUCKLE BUCKLE.
Oh, heard that?
Oh, yeah.
You come out of a white pussy.
I didn't come out of a boat. That's for damn.
Full of blood.
I don't think I'm rich at all. I'm just wealthy. And I know what right is right, and I know what's wrong is wrong, and what he's doing is wrong.
Yeah.
And what I'm doing is right. I'm trying to keep us going. He's drowning us, man. If he would open his eyes and unite with his family, he'd make a lot more money, buddy.
I'm not getting nobody.
It's a fucking half they made, the government.
Yep.
Fucking room. It's a 5 million stink bugs.
Tell me. Get out, made a big black spider.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
I'm talking
about the meth. I got 3 cockroaches that are trained on crystal meth.
Yeah. Yes. Oh.
That's waterproof, I promise.
Oh, God, her again.
I got you, trust me, they're waterproof. Gumbo up there. The paces are running behind him like it's meth out with screaming and shit.
And telling him what to say.
Right. But she also said this in one live feed. Don't lie, Bubba, fuck you up. Oh. And I tore Bubba to pieces. You don't want this, boy. You don't want this smoke. Because I'm like a motherfucker for you. Suck on that goddamn motherfucker. Y'all can't do the vortex. The women love it when the vortex gets in them or the dirty jerky. They can't, it's like messing with Sasquatch.
Yeah, I'd say you smell about like a Sasquatch.
When I hit the Boone County hunts and that pussy, oh my God, they have drove me crazy. Please come fuck me again. It's the best thing I ever had. I'm having babies. Bishop.
See, now, you had everybody believing you up until this point. And we all know that biologically a man cannot have babies. So quit your bullshit, Derk.
What happened, babies? I wore 5 condoms, motherfucker.
That's the fucking wiener.
There's another one, man.
Hear me?
I'll scratch my back.
Then where did wiener go? Dog go.
Steve probably took Bree's asshole.
On the plate.
You should see the other video I'm getting ready to load up. Oh my goodness. I got stink dick. 3 girls.
That's what we used down in the woods.
I mean, that girl told me, she said, oh my God, you ripped my guts out, but he fucking couldn't even touch him. I was like, right. I was like, you can't touch it. It's my fucking goddamn 747 in a Grand Canyon. Little man came to fuck It's 3 months ago or something like that, 6 months ago.
I heard about
If he had problems, why didn't he roll to Boone County?
He didn't come see his grandbaby one. He
No shit. Brooklyn hates his guts anyway.
He ain't his own daughter throw the fit because
You're soft, no crispy. Dude, you're soft as Charmin, boy. Good, weakest link, goodbye. And lights better come up too. Let's play a Donald move on him. If the lights don't come up, we in defeat. That's how he does it. That's a piece of shit right there. Yeah. Swear. On there begging for pennies. That's called stars.
Yeah.
Rats don't go to jail, you understand?
Right.
Rats plead the fifth. And when people don't show up for the court dates, guess what?
They go to jail like single.
No, the court gets dropped. No evidence. No witness. No case. Right.
Right. No proof.
No proof.
You know how to do it, you little scrawny motherfucker, don't you? You know how to beat them women. Get rid of the evidence, don't you? Like you said earlier, rats don't go to jail. Rats plead the fifth. I think you got that backwards, ain't you, little scrawny? It's the ones that don't rat that plead the fifth. Rats like yourself tell a hanging crime on a man and get him locked up. You pointed your finger at yourself and you said rats.
Donna Taylor over every bit of it. Oh, scared. Scared. He's just scared of what I am now and what he begins to be.
Too fast today.